not come to play with you hoes. I came to slay, bitch.
I see it, I want it. I stunt yellow, want it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it.
Kwa ndizi kwa healthy, ona we.
Mimi mama yangu aliniambia za doti ndio tamu.
Ukweli. Kutoa lafuzi yangu ke. Hata tena nilikumbusha nisisahau mboga zangu zimekatisha hapo nje ya gate. Mboga ya sapa. Akujua hapo chini. Anileteni kwa nyumba. Hey, thank God. Esta ishuka tena. Sasa inakuwa nikitisha.
200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot.
Suni bebe.
Walai.
Mimi ndakunywa. Plus one. You're done.
Seven on this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top, all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and drunk and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and man I think that we hit something proper like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For once, let me mute this thing a minute. Let me mute this for so there I go. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another vlog. Sadly, I don't think this is going to be a weekly vlog. I've incorporated a new way of me vlogging. So I just pick up the camera whenever I feel comfortable, whenever I feel like I really want to vlog. So I'm not forcing myself to vlog when I don't want to. I'm sure it's not going to be a weekly vlog because I'll be vlogging when I can and when I feel the need to. So I want to be vlogging every single day of my life. But yeah, welcome back to the channel, you guys. So I received my couch. It was delivered yesterday. Love it. I told you guys already, I love the color, I love the design, I love the size. I just love every single thing about it. I'm beyond obsessed. Like guys, every time I walk into my house, every time I walk in, and then I just see my living room and I see my couch, I'm like, girl, you did that. So I'm so proud of myself. I'm Like I'm literally so proud of myself. This is not one of my couch is not one of the most expensive things I've bought in this house because yeah, a lot of these things are more expensive than the couch, but I feel like I was so excited for this couch. Like I literally waited for my couch. Alafu unajua mambo ya fundi, we don't know, so I was 50-50 whether my inspo is going to come out right or not. And the color, I was not so sure about the color, but obviously I loved green. Like I love green seats. I remember this time I had a shoot with Big Girl. They had this green seat and it was so beautiful, and I told myself I'm going to get a green couch for my house, and look at us now. We have a green couch for the house. I feel like I look so awkward without my studs on. Please kindly subscribe if you're new here. Please don't watch my videos and you've not subscribed. We're on the road to 10k, but I'm sure by the end of this week I'm going to have 10k subs, God willing. So yeah, welcome to the channel. Kindly subscribe and watch all the ads.
Got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on the.
Hi guys, so welcome back to this vlog. Yesterday I stopped vlogging because I was shooting content, but right now I want to do a little kitchen haul. It's not exactly a kitchen haul, it's like a grocery haul because I want to stock up my fridge. I recently got a fridge and obviously it can't stay empty, so I needed to stock it up. So I got a few things. I'm going to show you guys. Like venye hapa kuna let me lower this down. You guys see? Yeah. Like those are things I bought to stock up my fridge. Let me place this well. I also got fruits and a few vegetables from zucchini. Yeah, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, I got this is where I usually buy my fruits and vegetables because I mostly order items on Jumia Food. Also all this beverages, like these things I got all of them from Jumia Food. So I usually shop from Jumia Food because one, I have free delivery because I have Jumia Prime, so it's easy for me because I don't need to pay for delivery. And two, there are usually lots and lots and lots of Jumia codes, so it helps me. Like I buy items worth 500 bob, then I use a code and get 200 bob off, so I only pay 300. So for items worth 500, I'll pay 300 for that, and they'll get to my house. I don't need to go to the supermarket or to the grocery store to actually get the things. So get into it. It saves me a lot of coins, and I'm able to buy a lot more things than I had intended to plan to, because now the codes you get. Starting off the haul, let me show you the things I got. Where will I place them? Like my counter is full. Let me remove this. Hopefully I get space. One thing about me, I will buy very unnecessary things for the aesthetics, but yeah, I work hard, I deserve it. So yeah, so first I got this watermelon, then they're just groceries, oranges, then tomatoes, then a bunch of lemon, then pears. Like they're just fruits. There's no need for me to actually show you guys all the things here. Then the next thing I got, I also got this from Zucchini. Actually, I used it to create content yesterday. These are fresh blueberries because I was creating content for Tankae, the purple one, and I needed fruits that look purplish. You get? So yeah, so I opted for this because yeah, you get this Go Fruit. Tap and focus. Yeah. This Go Fruit multivitamin, I got them in a pack of 8, like 4, then 4. These are for stocking up my fridge. I'm sure I won't even be drinking most of the items. Don't know what happened to my light. 8 also got Ribena. I actually got this to create cocktail for the drink I was reviewing yesterday, but I couldn't buy like one just because I'm having one cocktail. So I got them in 5. I've used one, so now they're remaining 4. Alchemist flavored water bottles, I got them in 5. These are 4. Then there's one more here. Then the next thing I got was Dairy Fresh. 6 of them, 6 pack. Yeah, actually I got the assorted 6 pack. Yeah, so they have different flavors because I wanted different flavors, and most of the 6 packs were coming in like a specific flavor, like it was strawberry, chocolate, and I wanted the assorted one, so I got the assorted one. Then this is the milk I use, Brookside. Most times I get the long life one because sometimes I don't use my milk and staki ikai alafu yaribike, but I opted for this option now juu sasa nataka like kujitrain not to have a lot of food in the fridge and zinakaa sana the mala. So I got them in this 3. I didn't want to get a lot of them juu najua sitakunywa sana, but I just wanted to have them because ziku save time. Like sometimes you don't want to cook, and sasa nikipika tu ugali, so it's just easy for me to have like something to eat if I don't want to cook like a heavy meal. From Jumia, this idea I was not supposed to do like a TCG and unboxing. I saw they were on sale. These teams, the ones I'm about to show you, usually go for, I think they were 1200 or 1300, and they're pretty small, mind you, but they had a sale. Like the pink ones, I think the pink ones has yendi sana because the pink ones are on sale, but all the other items with like a different colored lead was still going for like the 12 to 1300, but these ones were now going for 400 bob. So I opted to get this one, and uzuri that time I used a code, so they were going for 400 bob. I added one more item which I'm going to show you, like those 2 small papers for stocking items in your fridge. I added one more item for 100 bob. Then yeah, I was able to get a discount of 250 bob off, imagine. So I got this one, I got it for 250 bob because I used the code. This other one I didn't use the code. So this is how they look like. They are 1.6 liters, I highly doubt, because zinakaa ndogo. So guys, I finished putting everything inside my fridge. So I want to show you guys how cute it looks. Guys, just see. Yup. Get into it, guys. Yup. Oh, I didn't show you guys, but I also got eggs. Yup. These are like my everyday drinks. That's what I had. No, not the alcohol, but like this 3. So I either have this, or this. That's why they're usually just here below hapa. Then since this is opened, niliona niweke hapa. But this is the drink I was reviewing yesterday. This drink is beyond perfect. And yeah, I still need to buy lots and lots of things because it's at least it doesn't look so empty. My fridge is not so empty, but I have nothing on the top shelf. Adi here, I'm not counting as if I have everything I need to fill up this shelf, the top shelf, fill up here, then get things for here. Then my freezer is basically empty. Kona tu maragwe na I think ice cubes. Then yeah, that's basically my fridge. I also need to fill up my, oh no, actually I don't need to. Do you guys see that? The marks is here. Yeah, I filled it up yesterday. This is the water that goes now directly to the water dispenser. So I usually just fill it up with my drinking water every time inapunguka. Yeah, guys, I'm in love with, like, I love it here. I love it here. My fridge is so, like, this is my greatest investment in this house. Like, I'm so glad I sat down and decided to get myself this fridge, this specific fridge, not any other. Like, this specific fridge, outdid myself here. So I say I love it.
Wow, tunataka visit Emma Cafe. I don't want you. Oh, uko na makeup no wonder aki ningeanguka. Uko na makeup no wonder no one can notice. Oh, nafaa kusnap.
Just remember, sing a song with me. Walking on by you're a good girl and I really trust you. Late at night I talk to you. You know the difference. Yeah. Walking on by you're a good girl and I trust you. Late at night I talk to you. You know the difference. You're also phony. Knows it cause they're lonely.
Ile unachukua kamera then.
Na siku hizi nilisema bedhe itakuwa nikivlog when I feel I want to see ile kujiforce. Never again. But then sema do I feel it takes so much from me than mimi could gain. Now it's something I love doing. It's not something that mtu ananiforce kufanya.
Ama nakuwa mkubwa. I think we are just growing up.
Lakini hapana. It needs the gym. Wala ukiona najiangalia hadi sangine. Nasema, akini like I'm too fat. Mimi kwanza mkono zangu ni nono.
Niliona Lolo pia anataka kwenda Lolo ama ni nani?
Mimi. Lakini mimi naanza na siwezi fanya mingi at once. Nenda moja naenda kwanza nini? Lipo. Wewe unaanza na
Lipo.
Hadi mimi naanza na lipo, then I think arms.
Mimi nafanya tu lipo na ni fix my teeth baby.
Lipo na arms. Wala hizo ndo nitafanya. Hadi mimi nataka hiyo 360. Hiyo lipo 360 kila nataka hadi huku. To drop you happy?
Aren't you sick of the same thing? Though it's so misstated. Love you or they hate it when it doesn't matter anyway. 'Cause we're here tonight. If you smile, then that should set the tone. Just remember, baby, if you let go, the music should move your bones. Baby, just remember, sing the song with me.
Hi. Songesha simu ni kwa uso.
Bring the body, you're a good girl and that's reason to trust you. Late at night I talk to you. You know that I touch you. Yeah. Change your life, give me that chance to be your man. Give me that